All right, problem number 2. This is a pyramid. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay, so in this pyramid right here, and kind of hard to see the bottom of this, but notice the base of this pyramid is a triangle. So I'm going to do a problem within a problem here. So here we got a problem and a problem. So because I need to find the base, right? I need to find the area of the base. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. We're doing this problem first to figure out how we can do the rest of this problem. So the base, so let's think about what the base is. The base is a right triangle. You can see it's got a right angle right there as part of the base. Okay, it's a right triangle. This side right here is 6. This side right here, the hypotenuse opposite the right angle is 10. And I don't know this side. I'll put an X right there. And in fact, you may need to rotate it. Some of you may be looking at it crooked. So if you rotate it, and then I'm going to draw it like this. We've got our 6, our right angle, our 10, and our unknown. This helps us see exactly why we need to do a little bit more to this problem, because we need to find the area, right? That's what we're trying to do, find the area of the base. Well, the area of a triangle is area equals 1/2 base of that triangle times the height of the triangle. Well, we got the base, don't have the height. So that means that we're doing this problem inside of this problem, but we're going to have to do another problem. So there's a third problem we're going to have to do. So from this, we're going to go, okay, I got to do a third problem here. The third problem is I got to solve this right triangle. I'm trying to find this missing side. I've got this right triangle. I've got this is 6. I got this is 10. I got that is X. And I'm trying to solve it. So we're going to do the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I know that the C is the hypotenuse opposite the right angle is 10. The A and the B are the X and the 6. It doesn't matter what order. Put the X squared plus the 6 squared. So X squared, 6 squared equals 10 squared. Okay, I'm going to solve this out here. Let me extend my page down a little bit lower. So A squared plus B, so we got the 6 squared is 36, so X squared plus 36 equals, and then 10 squared, I've got the equals, is 100. Subtract 36 from both sides, and I get X squared equals 100 minus 36 is 64. Then we're going to take the square root of both sides to get rid of that squared, and so X squared root of 64 is 8. So now I did all of this problem, right? This is this problem within a problem. To get this is 8. So now I know this is 8. So now I can go back. Okay, why were we find that? Oh yeah, we were trying to find the area of this triangle, right? So this problem within the problem, I now know this is 8. And the reason why I needed that was because I needed to find the area. So area is 1/2 times base, 6 times height, 8. So 1/2 times 6 times 8, I believe, is 24. So now we have the area of this triangle, and we're all done, right? No, we're not. This was a problem in the problem. So now, why was I finding the area of this base, right? I now know it's 24 units squared. I did all of that because I was trying to solve this problem. So now that we have this one solved, I can go back to my original problem, right, that I was working out right here, and let's take it all the way down here to the bottom, below the problem, within the problem, within the problem, and let's work it out. So let me go back to my blue. Volume equals 1/3. Area of the base I just found was 24. And then the height of that pyramid. I got to go back up. This is ridiculous. Let's go back. How tall is this pyramid? It's right there, 15. Okay, so back down. Why is 1/3? Area of the base, 24. Height, 15. All right, so that took so long my calculator went into sleep mode. So now we got to turn it back on. So we're going to do 1/3. And I just do 1 divided by 3 in parentheses for my 1/3. Times the area of the base, 24. Times the height, which I just found was 15. it equals, and I get 120. And the units, got to scroll back up. What were the units? Feet. So the units are feet cubed for the volume. And that is that problem worked out. That was a tough one, but I'm glad you stuck with me.